There are brand new gifts with purchases that I've never seen before. And of course, today I will give you a recap of the latest and returning Dior promos and promo codes in the US, UK, Canada, and Hong Kong. I have to say that Hong Kong has the best gifts with purchase, not only the selection but also the way they are doing the gifts with purchases. I think if there's a model structure on how these promos should be executed, it should be the way Dior Beauty Hong Kong does it. Their marketing team is doing great, and so let's start with Dior Beauty Hong Kong available promotions at the moment. If you purchase any of the hair product plus any of the perfume product, you will receive this top handle red pouch with two more deluxe sample, which looks like the capture serum and also either a concealer or a foundation deluxe sample. So the minimum requirements is just to have hair product and perfume or fragrance in your cart and you'll get this item. Now, if you purchase any makeup plus skincare product, you will receive 3 items, and one of these items I haven't seen before. It's the Dior pocket mirror, and it's in pink. It's like fuchsia, I think, and it has this heart quilt in the middle. I think it's super cute, and you'll get 2 deluxe sample. One is the La Mousse on and off facial wash and the Dior Skin Glow Cushion. I wish we have these deluxe sample in the US because these are perfect for traveling. And of course the mirror. I think that mirror looks gorgeous. And in Hong Kong you can stack, and this is why I said they have like the best way of executing these promotions, because you can stack on these promotions. So if you meet both requirements, you'll get all of these gifts with your purchase. So that's awesome. And not only that, if you spend at least 2,000 Hong Kong dollars, you'll get additional gifts, which is the Dior denim pouch right here. 2 deluxe sample. One is the mini lipstick, second is the new capture serum. So the other one I mentioned earlier is the capture total serum, and this one is the new capture serum, and also a deluxe sample of the J'adore EDP, which is also in a very cute, very giftable gift box. So if you meet all those requirements, you know, you have a hair product, fragrance, makeup, skincare, and also your purchase totaling 2,000 Hong Kong dollars, you will receive all those gifts with purchases that I just mentioned. So I think that's great. They don't have any promo codes. The gifts will be automatically added in your cart. And imagine if they have promo code, that's even better. I think this is how Dior should do all the gifts with purchases, you know, no promo code, and sometimes like maybe on special occasion, on holidays, there will be promo codes, and then you can stock up on all of these gifts with purchases. I could only wish, but yes, that's available at the Dior Beauty Hong Kong right now. By the way, if you're new here, it's Christine, your artsy momsy, and in this channel, I help you maximize your Dior Beauty shopping experience. So if you love shopping Dior Beauty, make sure to stay tuned, like this video, and of course, if you haven't yet, please subscribe because you will love it here. And make sure to share with your girlfriends because I'm sure they would love the same perks. Alrighty, let's go back to our promo codes, this time in the US. In the US, let's start with recapping the best promo codes I think available out there. Starting with minimum purchase of $100 is the Welcome You 25, and you will receive the Terry pouch with the Christian Dior logo at the front. I brought this at my recent trip to Hawaii, and what I love about this is that you could be carefree. You don't need to worry about the wear and tear. You can even throw this at the washer if, you know, if it got any kind of stain. But so far, so good. I've used it almost every day. I pretty much use it as my, like my wallet. I put my card case, phone, glasses, and sometimes my sunblock stick, and it fits a lot. So there you have it. Minimum purchase $100. Promo code welcome you 25. Next promo code minimum purchase is $130, and the promo code is rediscover 25, and this is a Dior pouch, and I believe they have the same size, and you could just easily add wristlet to this one. I will show you a sample here of dear friend Elizabeth. Just shared with me her recent project via Instagram, where she put some wristlet on some of her Dior beauty pouches, and I think they all look great. I will link you the wristlet she used for this one at the bottom below. But yes, you could check Amazon, even Etsy, for some wristlet to add in your Dior pouches, because they're too pretty to be used, right? Look at that, it's gorgeous. And so that's our promo code, rediscover 25. You get the Dior pouch. And next one is this is been here for a while, my cart. You get the black dome pouch, and for your minimum purchase of $130, again the promo code is my cart. These are very giftable items. My sister-in-law loved this. Also great size for medium-sized bags, so this is awesome. Alrighty, next one is the Join 25. Now, if you don't want to buy any kind of wristlet, you can use this Dior keychain as a wristlet. Minimum purchase $130. Again, promo code Join 25. Because if you're purchasing something at the Dior website anyway and you don't like any of the current gift with purchases, maybe you could use this to add in your current Dior pouch. And this is new. It's the first time I've seen this combo, at least. The promo code, it's been there before, but it's updated, and I think I like it better. Minimum purchase $130. Promo code is LCP Cart 25, and you get one of the La Collection Privé fragrance. It's the Amber Nuit, and you get the bucket pouch. It is not the same exact color. This one in this promo code is white, and it has the Dior spelled out in the front, but they're pretty much the same size. I transformed this into a bucket pouch, as you could see, and it was perfect during my Hawaii trip last year. Like I've said, when you're traveling somewhere and you want to be carefree, you don't want to worry about wear and tear, these pouches are very useful. So again, minimum purchase $130. I think it's great because, you know, lower minimum purchase, and you get a pouch and also a LCP product, which you know are very expensive. It's awesome. So the promo code is LCP Cart 25. Okay, and last, for the lower minimum purchase range, this is $150, and you get the star keychain. I'll do my best to find the exact look of this keychain, and I'll put it here if I find it. But the star is actually a lot bigger than it shows in this photo. So the promo code is MISSYOU25. Again, $150 minimum purchase. Okie dokie, now we're moving a little up. Minimum purchase $175. Again, this is all United States Dior Beauty promo code. I think this is the best right now because it's in the mid-range when it comes to price. It's Dior Tips 25, and you get the denim pouch with two deluxe sample. One is the mascara and the other one is the lip maximizer. Again, Dior Tips 25. If someone asks me what's the best promo code at the moment, this is the one I always give because I just love this. Look at this. This is big pouch. Not very big, but just enough. Could fit a lot. And also very well made. Okie dokie, now let's move on to masterclass promo codes, and this is brand new. This is the first time I've seen this. I'm actually very close to getting this one. I think it's worth it if you will use it. And I feel like since I'm, you know, putting more makeup now, it'll be cute to use it like during my get ready with me videos, because it's just cute, you know. So for your minimum purchase of $150 from code passport25, you get the Dior oblique hair clip, and the pink is just cute. I mean, if you buy actual Dior clips on the website, I think price starts at 400. So to get this for free, I know, probably made with plastic or acrylic. If you like cuteness, I think this one is awesome. Next, minimum purchase $200 from code is passport48, and you'll get this pouch right here. And again, I'll show you another photo that Elizabeth shared with me. She turned this into a shoulder bag. So what she did is add a strap, and so you don't have to close it. If you leave it open like this, you could fit more because you are maximizing the width of the pouch. But if if you have it closed like this, then you kind of shrink it a little bit. So if you have a big phone, it will not fit. But I think she did a great job doing it and just keeping it this way. And like I've said, these pouches, when you convert them, they work really well because again, you don't have to worry about them getting dirty, especially this one. This is canvas. You can put it in the washer or spot clean it. So far so good with mine, and I've used it a lot whenever we go travel. And so you will get that white pouch with the Dior Prestige theater icons, and this is such a beautiful box that you could open this way, and you get two prestige product. And you already know, if you are a long time Dior beauty lover, you already know that Dior prestige products are really expensive. And I've heard from a lot of other Dior beauty creators, content creators, that these are one of the best products. I just try to avoid it because I hate to love it and not be able to afford it, I'm just being real, I'm just being practical. Like, what if I fall in love with this product and then I cannot sustain it? So for now, I'll stick with my Capture Total or Capture products. By the way, masterclass promo codes, they only last through the week, and so a new masterclass promo code will be available next Thursday. So if you love any of these two masterclass gift with purchase, make sure to place your order by Wednesday. Next, this is only for the weekend, so maybe up to tomorrow. Minimum purchase 200, and you get this Dior silver pouch. Now, there was a similar one like this before, but I can't tell if this is more like the jewelry pouch or if it's a flat pouch. If any of you already seen this or have this, please share in the comment below. But yes, this is available with your promo code weekend25. Again, minimum purchase $200. If you really love this, I think 200 is a lot. If you have nothing to buy currently, I would wait for next time. Maybe the minimum purchase will be lower with the same gift with purchase. We've seen it happen a lot, so patience is a virtue. Alrighty, let's move on to Canada promo code. So we have this Miss Dior Discover set. I love this Discover set. I wish they bring it back where there's no minimum purchase to get this. So this includes a hand lotion and one deluxe sample of the fragrance. And the fragrance, I think it's I'm not very sure, but it looks like it's Blooming Bouquet. And I think this is 10 ml, so it's a little bigger than the usual Miss Dior Deluxe sample that are usually or typically 5 ml. So this one is a little bigger. The promo code is Diva Dior 25 with your minimum purchase of 150 CAD. Next, we have promo code Bronzed 25 with minimum purchase of 150 Canadian dollars, and you'll get a set of 3 J'adore fragrances. Yes, sorry, there's nothing better, but if you're purchasing something anyway and you need promo codes, we have these two available. Okay, one is the Dior 25 and one is Bronze 25 with your minimum purchase of $150. Okie dokie, now in the UK, we have the hair clips. And I can't believe, and I'm so sorry that there's nothing much. So with your minimum purchase of £200, yeah, I almost can't say how much is required. Plus one makeup product. So you have to spend £200 and at least one makeup product and you get the hair clips. I guess Dior is really valuing these hair clips up there because this minimum purchase is a bit high for me to just get the set of hair clips. I think they're cute though. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this one. So there you have it. So those are the Dior promotions and promo codes that we have at the moment at the Dior website in the US, UK, Canada, and Hong Kong. Let me know if you're looking forward to purchase anything this week. I'm happy to report that the new product actually dropped to all your website, at least for the ones I've seen. They're available, and so they're all available, and I'm happy that they're not actually out of stock because I thought they're doing some kind of marketing tricks on us that, you know, they put them out but then make them out of stock to hype the demand. But no, they are available and it looks like they would stay for a while, so you can take your time, I think. And they are also available. I've seen them in like Neiman Marcus and Sephora, so they are available out there. There are so many ways to get your hands on these items. Alrighty, thank you so much for sticking with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy weekend. Bye bye.